Monday morning. It is a beautiful Monday morning here in Coffs Harbour. It is overcast and it's been raining, so I love it. It's also nice when it's sunny, but because of the huge drought we've had, it's lovely to have some rain. Hello and welcome to this week's vlog. Time now is 8:35 in the morning. At about 7 o'clock, I just went and dropped my Mini down to the Coffs Jetty workshop where it's getting blue slipped. I did a green slip last night, which is like compulsory third-party insurance. So I did that last night. Blue slip this morning, which is like a vehicle safety check to make sure that the vehicle's like roadworthy to even drive. And then later on this afternoon, and then afterwards we are going back to the Jetty workshop. This camera needs to focus, thank you. Going back to the workshop to pick up my car. I'm going to take it down to the Roads and Maritime Service, get it registered, get my new number plates, put those on, and then we are registered. So that's all we're doing today. Look at this beautiful scenery. It's actually really lovely. So this is on the way home from school. We're just sitting here and absolutely fantastic. Are you actually kidding me? So I literally just heard some thunder from obviously these clouds over here. As you can see behind me, it's blue sky. It's just the camera's overexposed. Now, normally I'd be like super excited that it's storming, except my car is down there completely open and I'm still installing subs. And she's still open. So I don't necessarily want that to hit that. Alrighty, so I just finished the sub box and I just heard it, and holy, that thing is brutally loud in that car. There she is there. And in the car, we got a dual 12s sitting in a triangulated box. Windows down slightly, just for extra bass. So when I see you, right there. Wow. There you go. Good afternoon, and we're walking down the street. Yeah, it's great. There is actually a huge storm coming. Let's have a look right there. Now, if you can see, it's going to focus on that phone. We've had a severe thunderstorm warning for some large hail, and it's due to hit us here. 4cm hail has been reported, so I'm going to protect the absolute hell out of my Mini, because that's brand new and I don't want hail damage on it, because that would suck ass. Yeah, I used to have to cross this every single day to get to school, but not anymore, because I don't go to school. So anyway, what I was saying before is we've got this morning at about 9 o'clock we got a severe thunderstorm warning issued for Coffs Harbour because apparently there was a large supercell approaching us, which is awesome. I love storms, I love supercells, and we've been lacking a lot of weather lately. So awesome that we actually get a bloody storm here. But whew, the temperature right now is about 31 degrees and it's 3:25 in the afternoon, which is good. They said about 3-ish the storm would hit, and they're somewhat correct because there's that. Although it's pretty humid, it's hot, it's humid, but it's not stormy yet. Look at her. Fucking like. That's really hot. Really hot. That was a bad idea. I love my car, but it's really hot. I've got a feeling it might almost be time for me to go and move my car. Take it into a garage where I won't get hit by hail. So, okay, so that's the Bureau of Meteorology. And just there is the storm that's about to hit us. Alrighty, so it has started to rain, and we're in the mini now. And I'm waiting for the turbo to heat up a bit before we head off.